Men and a shovel, a mechanical shovel. It's extended now. There are about 3 or 4 men checking out the shovel. The shovel is the key component, the key machine for this job of excavating. As you can see, there's been massive excavating going on at Belmont Park in the infield. There's piles of pipes, looks like drainage pipes. And the shovel seems to be fully extended, but it's not doing anything. It's not digging. It's not shoveling. There's a man, on the machine. It could be that the machine, had a mechanical breakdown and they're trying to fix it. See, this is the construction site in the infield at Belmont Park Racetrack. The shovel is a massive machine. It's huge. And you see when you see when you compare it to the size, of the men attending to it, you see how huge the machine is. I mean, this could be one of the largest freestanding mechanical shovels maybe in the world. It has a huge mouth. There's 2 men standing next to the mouth, to the right, to the left, to our left. It could be 3 men. Wow. Well, we'll come back to this later.